Everyone thinks they're a high performer, but most people are lying to themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, get hyped about success, but they're not actually doing what it takes to win. They talk a big game, but when it's time to execute, they disappear. So let me ask you, are you really a high performer? Or are you just pretending to be one? High performers operate differently. They don't wait for motivation. They move regardless. They don't play the short game, they build long-term domination. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what separates true high performers from everyone else. By the end of this video, you'll either realize that you're on track or you'll see the brutal truth and why you're stuck. Let's dive in. Losers rely on motivation. High performers rely on discipline. Most people work hard when they feel like it. Most people stay consistent for a few weeks, then they fall off. Most people set goals, but never build the habits to back them up. High performers, they don't miss. They show up and execute, even on bad days. They put in the work, whether they're tired, busy, or unmotivated. They build systems that keep them on track instead of hoping for inspiration. Are you treating your career like a professional, or are you playing at an amateur level? Are you doing the work daily, or just when you feel like it? Are you committed to long-term success, or are you just chasing quick wins? If you're not showing up every day, you're not a high performer. Success isn't about how you feel, it's about what you consistently do. Now let's talk about why most people never reach their full potential and how high performers do it differently. Most people quit when they don't see immediate results. They give up when things take longer than expected. They chase quick wins instead of building something that lasts. High performers, they don't need instant results because they trust the process. They aren't looking for shortcuts, they're building long-term domination. They know that success compounds over time, so they put in the work now to cash in later. This is why most businesses fail. This is why most salespeople stay stuck. This is why most people never become elite performers. Are you willing to invest months or years into your success? Or are you just looking for a quick payout? Are you focusing on long-term value, or are you making desperate moves? If you don't have long-term vision, you're not building lasting success. High performers don't rush success, they build it. Now let's get into the final and most important sign of a true high performer. Losers blame the market, the economy, their competition, their circumstances, the interest rates. High performers, they take full ownership of their results. They don't make excuses, they make adjustments. They don't wait for someone to save them, they create their own opportunities. They don't let challenges break them, they use them as fuel to get better. The moment you take full responsibility for your success, everything changes. You can either have excuses or you can have results, but you can't have both. If you're not showing up every day, you're not a high performer. If you're chasing quick wins instead of building long-term success, you're not a high performer. If you're blaming external factors instead of taking control, you're not a high performer. But here's the good news, you can change it. If you're ready to build an elite mindset, operate at a high level, and take control of your future, we want to work with you. Apply for coaching below. Let's build your success plan. And if you found value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.